Hello, I'm Jenny, a director at Bickerstaff & Co, and I'm back with the latest episode of Ask the Accountants. We've actually had a few messages about this week's topic, so let's dive straight into the exciting world of directors' loan accounts. Okay, so maybe you don't feel it's that exciting. Perhaps it's only accountants who get passionate about this sort of thing, but directors' loan accounts are an important part of the UK tax rules. So if you have a limited company, you should at least have a basic understanding of what's involved. We tried to make this as painless as possible. Right, let's start from the beginning. I'll use my position here at Bickerstaff's as an example. So we're a limited company, and as I said, I'm a director. If I was to take money out of the company bank account that wasn't my salary, a dividend or an expense, and wasn't money I'd previously paid into or loaned the company, that would be classed as a director's loan. All activity relating to this director's loan must be recorded in a director's loan account or DLA. When we reach the end of a financial year, I would either owe the company money or the company would owe me money. We would record all of this as an asset or a liability in the balance sheet of our annual accounts. Where this gets really important is the tax liabilities that could apply. If I owe the company money, that is to say my DLA is overdrawn when we reached our company year end, I may need to pay tax on it. But if I paid it all back within 9 months and 1 day of the year end, then I wouldn't owe any tax. Confused? Okay, so let's say our year end was 30th of April 2020 and I had an overdrawn DLA. If I paid back the director's loan in full by the 1st of February 2021, I wouldn't owe any tax on it. If I didn't do this, our company would have to pay an additional corporation tax charge, and I could also be liable for personal tax. This is why it's super important to make sure that all the activity in your director's loan account is carefully recorded and accounted for. It's definitely worth getting advice from an experienced qualified accountant when it comes to more complex issues like this, in order to avoid paying more tax than you need to. There's lots more information and regulation around directors' loan accounts that we'd like to give you. But rather than spend hours putting it all together, why not get in touch with us so we can give you personalised advice and support. You'll find all our contact details on our website. Hope to see you again soon.